right, so checking back in with you to be accountable to your partners out there.
Yeah.
You've been doing this for about a half an hour, and let's see the progress you've made.
All right, so one of the things that was in the shed was this umbrella of ours. So I
Oh
put
my
that up
gosh,
over
that's
our table.
amazing. It's like Christmas.
I pulled out this old
Wow.
bed to get rid of.
Okay,
There's
great.
a whole bunch of logs, wood logs in there. And a lot
Wow.
of other junk. So along there, I
Okay.
have a whole stack of recyclables and trash to throw away.
Nice.
And then you can see it's just a little more open. Still a lot of work to do.
Okay, seems like
We're getting
things...
there.
It's nice to make progress with some big pieces moving out, so you can see what you have. You can actually see really how bad it is, how dirty, how
It looks pretty bad.
horrible. It looks really gross. Lots of rat poop. Oh boy. Okay. And as you're doing this, is there anything that's coming up for you? Like, have you had any realizations or?
Not really. It just feels good to be in the swing of it. I put some good music on that makes me feel good. I am noticing that I'm getting hot and sweaty.
Okay, that's good.
I'm getting some work, but it just feels good to be making some progress.
So it feels like an accomplishment even to do a half an hour of work.
Yeah, my body's not tired.
That's good.
It really helps to have some music I like to listen to, and I know you guys are close, and I know you're all out there watching and supporting.
So what would you give any advice to anyone who's having a hard time starting a project as to what you would recommend?
Well, the main thing is really just starting it. You know, like what did I hear? A lot of us talk without doing or talk without thinking, do without thinking, and think without doing, think without action. So
Do without thinking.
So we do things without thinking about them,
Uh-huh.
or we think about things without actually doing them.
Oh,
So
wow,
we've been thinking about cleaning this out for 3 months, but finally to actually just start. Usually if you can do some micro movement, like a small thing, like, well, get the trash can out. That's one small thing I can do. And once I have that out, then the project is started, and then it's easier to keep it rolling.
Wow, that is awesome advice. Thank you so much, Timothy,
indeed.
Guru Darshan. Cozy Happy Family. Woo woo!